Every great life tells a story, but you don't need hours to hear it. At LifeSnaps, we bring you powerful biographies of artists, icons, and legends in just minutes. Subscribe now. She's bold, fearless. Shenseea. At just 28 years old, she has already reshaped the sound of modern dancehall and carried it across the globe. From remixing dancehall classics, to breaking into the Billboard Hot 100, to earning a Grammy nod with Kanye West on Donda. Her journey is one of hustle, creativity, and undeniable impact. This is Shenseea's story. Let's snap into it. Born Shenseea Linda Lee in Mandeville, Jamaica, Shenseea was raised by her mother in a modest household. She discovered her love for music in church, singing in the choir, finding her first audience. But life wasn't always easy. She lost her mother in 2020, a tragedy that shaped her strength and drive. Even as a child, Shenseea dreamed of something bigger, and with her voice, confidence, and ambition. That dream was about to take flight. In 2016, everything changed. Her collaboration with Vybz Kartel on Ludi went viral, launching her into the spotlight almost overnight. Shenseea's mix of charisma and lyrical fire made her impossible to ignore. From there, she signed with Romic Entertainment, and her career only skyrocketed, with hits like Blessed featuring Tyga and collaborations with international stars like Sean Paul and Major Lazer. Jamaica had crowned its new dancehall queen, and the world was starting to notice. In 2022, Shenseea released her debut album Alpha. It wasn't just dancehall. It was a bold fusion. Trap, pop, reggae, and R&B. Tracks like Run Run and Lick stirred conversations, while Blessed became an anthem of confidence and success. The album charted internationally, and Shenseea's artistry gained new respect. That same year, she earned a Grammy nomination for her feature on Kanye West's Donda. For a girl from Mandeville, this was history in the making. Behind the fame, Shenseea is also a devoted mother. She balances stardom with raising her son, Raj. Her story as a single mother resonates deeply with fans. Her estimated net worth ranges between $4 and $6 million. Built from music, endorsements, and brand partnerships. Yet, despite the glitz, she often describes herself as grounded, focused on family, faith, and inspiring others. For her audience, that balance of superstar and mother is what makes Shenseea truly relatable. Shenseea's artistry is fearless. She honors her Jamaican roots, but refuses to be boxed in. Her sound merges cultures, bringing reggae and dancehall into conversations with trap, Afrobeats, and pop. With performances at Coachella, and even joining Harry Styles on tour, she's proving Jamaican music belongs everywhere. And with new projects already teased for 2025, Shenseea's ambitions show no sign of slowing down. She's not just an artist, she's an architect of the future. From Mandeville's church choir to international stages, Shenseea's journey is a story of resilience, ambition, and vision. She represents the next chapter of dancehall, one that refuses limits and embraces the world. Shenseea is more than a name. She's a movement.
strings and horns whispering, echoes of triumph, emotions soar high in the sky, beats of drums echoing the call, guitars wail like ancient tales, a crescendo of melodies.
Big lives, small snaps. That's Shenseea. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved diving into Shenseea's story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Tell us your favorite Shenseea track in the comments. We read them all. And remember, big lives, small snaps. Only here on LifeSnaps.